Good afternoon. Myself, I'm Dr.M innovator from DTCFC. In this video, I'm here with my dear students. Here they are here to share on TT-based online learning platform experience. Before getting into the video in detail, I just want my students to give a short intro on them.
Good afternoon. Myself Anish Kumar from 3rd CSE from SNS Institutions.
Good afternoon. I am Ayur, 3rd year SNS Institutions.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Hariharan. I am pursuing CSE in SNS.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Tanuja from 3rd year CSE SNS.
Good afternoon all. My name is Arun Murugan. I am from 3rd CSE SNS.
So, hello everyone. We are here to explore our thoughts and ideas about how we are going through the learning platform of Analytical Vidya. So we are not only just we are watching the video, we are going through the many hands-on practice and going through many assignments, and we are going through real-world examples. So through this we can explore more than the normal learning. So now here we are here to explore that how design thinking will help in this learning. So what is design thinking? It's a main stages how we will define a problem and how we will seek the solution for it. So in it we have many stages like empathy, define, ID, prototype and tester. So in here first we see upon the empathy stage. So in empathy stage we are analyzing the pain points of the learners. So if we come to the learner side, when we seeing into the perspective of learners, we will have we having focusing on the like pain points. So what are they feeling, what they think and why during the learning. So if a basic learner for a college student or a school student, he might think that what I need to learn, because this is a world of emerging new technologies are upcoming daily life. So for that they need to prepare for it. So in it they are confused about what we need to learn and how we need to learn. So that's the main question in here. So in this we are analyzing through surveys, and we have our own experience. We have surveyed that stages. So through this we have the empathy points like the new learners might think that what I need to learn, and that is if I choose a topic based upon any suggestions and senior slides, there may be a lot of steps I need to cover. There may be don't have a specific roadmap for it. We have a textual books. We can't read that specifically. It will be more steps. We can't focus on particular point. So we don't have a real world practice. Only just we focus on theories, but it will not also helpful for us. If when we are focus on both theory and practical, it will be more benefit for it. And another emphasis part is we need to focus on real world scenarios. Based upon that only we can survive and test our knowledge based upon that.
Okay, the next stage is going to be a define. In this define stage, we need to decide what the exact problem we are going to solve. After talking to the learners in empathy stage, we understand some common problems. This includes many learners are confused about which technologies to learn first, and some learners need more guidance in their project side, and some learners prefer an example based learning instead of only a theory based, and some learners watches video but they skip practicing. By skipping practicing, they don't know the concept earlier. So comparing all these problems, we need to define and we need to understand what the clear problem is going to be. By analyzing this, we decided that learner need an easy and practical way of explaining the new technologies. So not only watching videos, they need a practical way of explaining the concept, so they can understand the problem easily.
Okay, so the next stage is going to be ideate. So in these things we are seeing that there are a lot of number of problems. In that first we are going to be seeing what is the main problem. For that we have to be finding the different kinds of solutions. How these solutions can be brought is based on either you can give the survey forms or Google forms to the customers in order to get the review from them. So in online learning platforms, how this ideate part is being used is basically you would be asking the users what kind of features they need in the learning platforms like that in order to get what the customers really need. Based on the survey, we could be analyzing on these kinds of Google forms in order to know what are the main features that need to be added in the learning platform to make it more useful for the customer basis. So based on this, the customer should be able to have more interaction with it, and the time interaction with the app will be more. So this should be useful in order to understand the pain points of the customers and also include the main features that the customer need itself. So this is basically the ideal part. After this only the prototype part will be coming.
Okay. Now let me continue with prototype. After getting knowing about empathy, define and ideate, we'll get an idea that how the project should be developed. So that will be coming on the prototype based. So prototype is just a model. So where we can test it later or we can change or update as per our need. So the basic demo model is prototype. So now as it is an online learning platform, so we need certain things which should be related to the learning platform. So first thing will be like we need to create a module which is like step-by-step practice. So we need some practices for learning. So we will have a separate modules, and the topic might have, if it is a big topic, we need some brief explanation. So it should be like a step-by-step modules. Then we need notes and other documents. If only some of them will be very easy of learning through videos, but some will need videos or notes, etc. So we will have some folders or links, we can connect with YouTube's or etc. or the notes, handwritten notes, or it may be from generated AI. So which will be more efficient. It will be an additional point with having video and along with notes. And next thing is like weekly revises. So only learning is will not be useful. So we should know what we have learned. So that should be something part for revising. So we'll have it like weekly analysis, or after completing a single module, we can have like modules like quiz or etc. which will know what we have learned. Also we can practice more on what we are weak. So next thing is like creating short projects. So with the help of the modules, so we will get some kind of knowledge which will be used in the real world applications. So with the help of it, with that minimal knowledge, we can create basically a small projects, and later it will help us to create even a mini project, which will be like what you have learned, you can create completely, you can implement it completely.
Okay, so the next stage is testing. After the prototype is developed, it is to be sent to the users for testing. So the problems that we have identified were the traditional learning fields or the learning platforms were not capable of teaching the students well. I mean, they cannot adapt the students' learning strategy. So our platform, it is a design thinking based platform which enables the student to learn based on their best timings and their capabilities. It provides a clear roadmap and clear contents, and unlike the boring assignments and handwritten assignments in traditional models, it offers project-based assignments and practical programming-based assignments, which makes the users also more interested, and also it keeps the users in the platform. It attracts the students and it makes them more attractive. So, in order to conclude the session, I can say that the learning platform that we have created is an upgraded version of the traditional learning platform, where the students were not keen to learn or keen to take interest in learning, and through our design thinking based platform, it is a better platform where the students find very interesting, and also is improved modern assignments like coding or project-based assignments make it more better for the students to learn.
So thank you all for sharing your experience on online learning platform. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.